You work hard. You carry responsibility. You handle bills, problems, needs, and pressure. But even with all of that, home can still feel tight. A lot of husbands and fathers know this feeling. You are not lazy. You are not careless. You are trying. And yet, it still feels like you cannot quite get ahead. So the question is not always, am I working hard enough? Sometimes the better question is, do I actually have family margin? Family margin is breathing room. Breathing room in your money. Breathing room in your time. Breathing room in the decisions that have to be made at home. And when that breathing room disappears, pressure rises quickly. Small problems start feeling bigger. Conversations get heavier. Decisions get rushed. And home begins to feel more reactive than intentional. Now, let me be clear. Hard work is good. Scripture does not speak against work. But hard work alone does not automatically create clarity, order, or peace at home. A man can be busy all week and still be drifting. He can be responsible and still be reactive. He can love his family deeply and still not have a clear plan. That is real. For many men, the issue is not a lack of effort. The issue is a lack of clarity. They do not fully know what is coming in. They do not fully know where it is going. And they do not have a regular rhythm for leading those conversations at home. So let me give you 4 reasons hardworking husbands and fathers still feel financially behind. Number 1, they do not have a clear picture of the money. Money comes in, money goes out. Bills get paid, needs keep showing up. But there is no clear written picture of what is actually happening each month. And when there is no clarity, pressure grows. Number 2, there is no regular household rhythm. Maybe things get handled. Maybe responsibilities are covered. But there is no steady pattern for reviewing needs, upcoming expenses, and financial decisions together. Number 3, everything feels reactive. One expense shows up, then another, then another. And instead of leading from a plan, the family keeps responding to pressure. Number 4, there is no written next step. There may be concern, there may be effort, there may even be good intentions. But good intentions are not the same as a plan. And here is the hidden cost. When there is no family margin, it is not only the budget that feels it. Peace feels it. Patience feels it. Leadership feels it. Your wife feels it. Your children feel it. Because when a man lives under constant pressure, he can begin to give his home the leftovers of his energy. Not because he does not care, but because pressure has been eating away at his breathing room. That is why this matters. This is not just about money. This is about stewardship. This is about leadership. This is about the condition of the home. Luke chapter 14 verse 28 says, "For which of you, intending to build a tower, sitteth not down first and counteth the cost?" That is practical wisdom. In other words, before you keep pushing harder, sit down and see clearly. Before you try to earn more, understand more. Before you make another rush decision, count the cost. Sometimes the problem is not laziness. Sometimes it is not even low income. Sometimes what is missing is order, visibility, and the right mix of stewardship and action. That is why I created the Family Margin Scorecard. It is a practical self-assessment to help husbands and fathers look honestly at where pressure is building at home. Not vaguely, clearly. It helps you look at 4 key areas: financial clarity, household order, leadership and communication, and opportunity and resourcefulness. Because what can be seen clearly can be improved intentionally. That is where progress begins. Not with guessing, not with drifting, with clarity. So here is the first step. Download the Family Margin Scorecard. Take it honestly. Do not answer based on what you wish were true. Answer based on what is true right now. Then join the Family Margin Workshop Waitlist. The scorecard helps you see the pressure points. The workshop helps you build the plan. You do not have to solve everything this week, but you do need to stop drifting. See clearly, set it in order, and lead your home forward.